Okay, so about 2 o'clock today, 2:30, not 2 o'clock, I noticed I didn't have air coming out of my air compressor. So I came over here, flipped the switch, and it made the after I checked the breaker. Did it again, nothing. So then I went to the breaker, shut it off, turned it back on, unplugged it, took it all apart, and noticed nothing. So I ran down to this shop where they rebuild motors and everything, and had them check the capacitors. Now there's not one, but there's two, and he said one's still really good, the other one's okay, but if you're going to replace it, we'll replace the okay one. He noticed that it was too large. He's like, is that okay? I said, I don't care, we'll make it work. So this is how it's mounted, and there's several pictures that I have taken, but the main thing is right now is I'm going to plug it in after I wired it back in the same way I unwired it. And the only thing that might leak is that fitting there, because I noticed it was loose, so I'll have to get a new compression fitting for that before the hardware store closes. But anyways, let's grab the plug, wherever that went, reach around here, kind of gotten this thing all wired up. Now, a couple mishaps. When I was pulling off the cover, I broke the cover off. As you'll see in the pictures, it's wired. The last thing that just happened is this bolt broke off inside the casting there, so I'm going to have to drill it out and tap it out. Now the switch is turned off. Let me do one thing here, just in case, is put the vice grip in to hold it, because the vice grip will keep it in place. I had already preset it so it doesn't move. So now we'll plug it in. There's nothing connected to it, no air line, nothing. So now we'll flip the switch and see what happens. Hey, it works!